Home, stay home, stay home.
Stay with your mind.
So yeah, so that's the thing, like, there's RC planes and RC trucks. Why not put wheels and tires on it? It's here. Ooh. Is that street legal? Who knows? No way! What? You thinking what I'm thinking?
Don't be bound by friction. It's here. It's non-fiction. Introducing the RC four-wheel drive Trail Floater 800 long wheelbase with HVRTEQ, or TF800 for short, featuring Quad Quantum Quadrant Boosters. Pair it with the vintage kit featuring a retro K10 Scottsdale body coated in high-gloss Cyberlink P7641 purple. Glide over the competition with ease and unlimited thrust. Compatible with MindLink. The new TF800 and futuristic vintage K10 kit coming 2077. Pre-order now.
Can I give it a shot? Whoa, that's neat. What does this button do?
No!
Oh, way to go. Broke the space-time continuum.
Where's the reset button on this?